Starting around 20 September 2023, fundamentally Spell's sort of token basically is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54%, in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes. Which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell essentially has a kind of all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143 in an unobtrusive manner. This in a real sense makes sort of Spell especially token. Spell truly positioning at 370 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Spell genuinely token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Spell kind of symbolic sort of be exceptionally worth in 2023? Is certainly Spell fundamentally token a for the most part wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will by and large Spell cost certainly outperform its unequaled high? These certainly are our generally Spell token cost expectations for Spell's future in an in every practical sense enormous way. Spell extremely token, Spell value expectation 2023. As per the Spell certainly token figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell value sort of is supposed to really cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal all things considered, least value worth of all things considered. Spell essentially token toward the finish of the especially current year ought to fundamentally be $0.00054935 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, especially Spell can explicitly arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.00059828, which essentially shows that starting around 20 September 2023, fundamentally Spell especially token for the most part is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Spell extremely token, Spell value estimate August 2023. The Spell especially token, Spell cost for August 2023 may truly arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.00045274, while the in every practical sense greatest determined cost fundamentally is around $0.00050934, showing that basically Spell really token, Spell value conjecture August 2023. The Spell essentially token, Spell cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.00045274, while the fundamentally most extreme gauge cost certainly is around $0.00050934, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The genuinely normal cost for generally Spell in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach $0.00049519 in August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of really Spell truly token fundamentally is determined to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.00049142, fundamentally further appearance. How this in a real sense makes basically Spell kind of token, Spell especially positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Spell pretty symbolic value worth can basically arrive at a truly limit of $0.00052914, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars. Spell in every practical sense, token, Spell value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of truly Spell certainly token in a real sense is generally anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.00054974 and an essentially least of $0.00051158 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell commonly token, Spell value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, In a real sense, spell token cost by and large is estimate to sort of arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.000527449, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.0005796, with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $0.0005466 in an all things considered, significant way. Spell extremely token. Spell, value gauge December 2023. The spell most certainly token. Spell, cost for December 2023. May in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.0005495, while the fundamentally greatest estimated cost most certainly is around $0.000598828 in a very enormous manner. The sort of typical cost for by and large spell sort of is anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell extremely token truly past value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto sort of has been truly diminished by 0.84%. In its truly current worth, in an especially enormous manner. Assuming we sort of look at the truly current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which for the most part shows that spell especially token. Spell, value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of explicitly spell exceptionally token by and large is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.0005497 and a sort of least of $0.000511158 in a for the most part significant manner. Spell truly token truly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which is very critical. The spell essentially is down to nearly 2.49% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how truly spell kind of token. Spell, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of sort of spell especially token especially is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.0005497 and a very least of $0.000511158 in a kind of enormous manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of past, especially couple of days. The coin could sort of have major areas of strength, for genuinely however, we don't in a real sense believe that it would a productive resource in fundamental